Good evening, everyone. This is me, JAYEETASHREE of B.Ed 4th semester of Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers Training College. Today, I am here to discuss on the topic trigonometric ratios of CBSE curriculum of class 10. Now, first of all, we need to know what is trigonometry. Now, in mathematics, we measure so many different types of things. Like we measure time, we measure speed, we measure depth of water, we measure length and breadth, etc. Various kinds of things. Now, what about angles? Angles, yes, angles also we can measure, and trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and the problems related with it. So, let's begin this chapter. Here, you can see a right angle triangle. As you all know, a right angle triangle always have an angle 90 degree with it. Here, angle B is 90 degree. Angle A, let it be theta degree, and this sides AB is known as the base of the triangle, BC is the perpendicular, and AC is the hypotenuse. Here, let us consider AB as x units, BC as y unit, and AC as r units. Now, sine theta. Sine theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Where is the perpendicular? Y by hypotenuse is r. That means y by r. Next one, cosine theta. That means base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. That means x by r. Now, cosine theta we write it as cos theta. Next one, tangent theta. It's perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. That means y by x. Tangent theta we write it as tan theta. Next, cosecant theta. It's hypotenuse by perpendicular. It's r by y. Now, cosecant theta, we write it as cosec theta. Next one, secant theta is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base, that means r by x. Secant theta, we write it as sec theta. Cotangent theta is base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular, that means x by y. This is like cotangent theta, we write it as cot theta. Now, if we will notice all these 6 points very minutely, we will find that sine theta is just the opposite of cosecant theta, because sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, whereas cosecant theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. That means just the opposite. So, we can write sine theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta, because they are inversely proportional to each other, whereas cosec theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. Similarly, we can find other also, like cosine theta is equals to base by hypotenuse, and secant theta is hypotenuse by base. That means what? Cosine theta, that means cos theta, is inversely proportional to sec theta, and sec theta is inversely proportional to cos theta. And the last one, tangent theta and cotangent theta, they are also inversely proportional to each other. So cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta, and tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Okay. Next one. Next formula is sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Very important formula. Sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Because sine theta we know perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is P by H, and cos theta is this one, base by hypotenuse. So B by H. If we will divide sine theta by cos theta, what we will get? P by H into H by B. H and H cancel out. What is the remaining one? P by B. That means perpendicular by base, which is tan theta. So, we found the formula. Sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Next one, cot theta. In the same way, cot theta is equals to cos theta by sine theta. By proving the same way, we can get this formula as well. Next one is tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Tan theta we know perpendicular by base, and cot theta base by perpendicular, just the opposite. So, obviously it will be 1. Next, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is a very important formula. Now here in this figure, if you look at in this figure, x is the base, perpendicular is y unit, base is x unit, and hypotenuse is r unit. According to Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? Base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. So, here it will be x square plus y square is equals to r square. This is according to the Pythagoras theorem. Now, we can prove this formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 with the help of this Pythagoras theorem. Like considering the left hand side first, sin square theta plus cos square theta. That means what? Y by r whole square, this is sin square, and x by r whole square. From this figure, x by r whole square, this is cos square. Sin square plus cos square. If we will solve this, we will get r square by r square. That means 1, which is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Next, similarly, 1 plus tan square theta. If we will solve in the same way, we will get sec square theta. This is also another very important formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. And last one, 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Now all these formulas are the very, very basic fundamental of trigonometry, and without these, all this, we will not be able to solve any kind of trigonometrical problems. So I hope this video stands helpful for you. Thank you.